Content localization is one of those things that might sound simple, especially when using Storyblok's AI translation feature. But what about those times when editors forget to translate content before sending it off for review? Or when they have to manually translate every story that's been published after a scheduled publish? That's where Flowmotion comes in. Imagine this. You just finished creating a new product page, and then you update the status of the workflow to translate. And all of the content on the page is automatically translated to all of the desired locales and notifies the appropriate Storyblok users for review. Translation and approval are now direct results of updating the status to translate. No manual steps needed. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how this works with your setup, reach out. We'd love to walk you through it.